You'll need just a few basic items for this repair. A small, flathead screwdriver works well for prying open the key fob without damaging it. Alternatively, a plastic pry tool can prevent scratches on the casing. You'll also need a new CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, which is inexpensive and available at most electronics stores or online. Step 1. Open the key fob casing. Locate the small notch or seam on the edge of your Lexus IS 300 key fob, usually near the keyring attachment. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the notch and carefully twist to open the casing. Avoid excessive force to prevent damage. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the battery. The positive plus side usually faces up. Gently pry the old battery out of its holder. Using gloves can help keep the internal components clean. Now insert the new CR2032 battery into the holder, ensuring the positive side faces the same way as the old battery. Press it securely into place to make good contact. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob casing back together. Ensure all edges are aligned and the casing is securely closed. You should hear a click as the pieces snap into place. Test the key fob by pressing the lock, unlock, and trunk buttons. Verify that your Lexus IS 300 responds correctly. Test from a distance of 20 to 30 feet to ensure full functionality. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, start by double-checking the battery orientation. Make sure the positive side is facing up and that it's properly seated in the contacts. If the problem persists, despite correct battery placement, the key fob may have a deeper electrical issue, such as damaged circuitry. In this case, professional service is recommended. Always dispose of the old battery according to local e-waste guidelines. Do not throw it in regular trash, as lithium batteries require special recycling. Performing this DIY replacement yourself saves approximately $100 to $150 compared to having it done at a dealership. This straightforward process empowers vehicle owners to handle basic maintenance efficiently.